Hello everybody, how are you? I am Zef and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different questions and their answer. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we will be discussing question. So let's get on the question. So our today's question is, which of the following statements about crafting a strategy to competitively successful in the markets of far actions, cameras and drone is accurate? The correct answer to the question is, in Globus there are multiple strategic approaches and sets of competitive force action that, if properly designed and well executed, are capable of producing competitive success in the global market for cameras drones, provided they are not overpowered or thwarted by even more potent strategic approaches and competitive actions force that are well executed by rival companies. So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.